And please note that for the class itself, don't be afraid to make mistakes. I mean, before we go any further, I would like, I just want Ramirez to share his experience with the class so far, and just kind of encourage everybody else how to push along. Or can you do that for us, Ramirez, before we get into the class itself?
How much time I feel, sir?
Eh?
Like how much time I feel I'm asked help. Yes, sir. Only part time I feel, sir. But that not make sense, me stop. I keep trying.
Exactly. So you feel several times. As I'm saying, that makes sense to stop and keep trying. And that is all I'm asking. Keep trying. Keep trying. Never stop. Just keep trying. That is all. Just keep trying. Please. I am trying to get majority pass. I can get that. We can get that. But you got to do your part. Please don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. All right. So get to the books. Get to the books. Books time. Bookie time now. So now it's time to get to the books. Right. So everybody seen them book now? Everybody seen them book? Everybody seen them
Yes,
book?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're gonna go. Let me look at the books again. So show results. Show results. All right. So I see Ramirez got 8.8 for that one. 7.5. Makeda got that one. And Kosha needs to do back over. Nikisha needs to do back over that one. So does
So what are you talking
Nastasia.
about?
We're looking at the one that they did before. All right. Go to your book, Zabir. Go back to the book. Please go back to the book. Kimura, of course, you'll have to do the second page as well. Lexi or Lexi alone and 1 0 0 0 0 0. I think you should be able to go over the other one. I think you should be able to repeat this one. I don't know
Embassy,
why.
whenever I use the 3.142, sir. So that's how we get the answer wrong. How we need to do it over.
Okay. So please do it back over. All right. Please do it back over. Let me set it so I can do it back over quickly. 1 second there. All right. So I'm going to do it back over. Let me just spend a little time with the other person, just like last week, put it in the groups and I'll move over to the next one. But before we move over, I'll put you guys into the groups. Let me spend a little time here. All right, so you have 2 times to redo the exercise. All right. Okay. So let's create that breakout room. So I can put you guys where you need to go.
Sure, so do over the third worksheet.
Come again?
Do over the third worksheet.
Yeah, page 3. Yeah. God, then no one have to do it back over. All right, before Lexi, Zabir, and 1 goes over to that room, I'm gonna ask that you, what's the word now? I'm gonna ask that you, I'm gonna ask that you, I'm gonna ask that you remember you have to focus on, always be focusing on. I know you guys are focusing on the thing. Where if you're having a difficulty with the question, remember the models are very important. Somebody grab a tissue roll, somebody grab a can or something, and create the model. Right? Just create the model. So go over to group 2, go over to page 2. If you get 10 out of 10, you can move over to the next page. So you get 2 chances to do it back over. So make sure you get full 10 out of 10 for that one. And then now you go to page 3 and sort it out. All right. Okay, so let's say you guys can go over to the breakout room. I suppose you can do it manually. Go over to the breakout room, let's say. 1, go to the breakout room. Zabir, go to the breakout room. Quickly, please. Come on, all right, man.
Okay, go to the breakout, sir.
You don't see it?
Oh, I'm gonna see. Okay.
Okay. Let's click on join breakout room. You have to join it. You have to join it one. Let's click on join and join it. You have to join it. Want to join it yet? No? Click on join. 1, click on join and join it. Ramirez. Ramirez in a join it. But Nikisha gone. Nikisha gone or whatever. Where was Nikisha over there? 1, Ramirez, you don't see that. You don't join it yet. Ramirez. All right, let's say Nikisha can go over there. No, Miss Buden, you can't go over there, Miss Buden. You come back over there, so Miss Buden. Give me a second, there, folks. All right, Ramirez is trying to find himself over there.
Sir,
All right, so yes, Kimura, I'm here, man. I'm back.
you can check my answers for the first, but page 2, please.
Page 2. No, I won't be able to check your answer until you click on finish.
I press finish.
You press finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's finish too quick. Let me see where you went wrong. Oh. I don't have to write out the words. Just write the abbreviation. So you can repeat it. You can scroll on and repeat it, all right? You heard? You hear Kimura?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. All right, so let's go again quickly. All right, so now for those persons who are in the class now, we're going to quickly go through the steps we're supposed to do. So I'm going to ask the questions, you're going to tell me the answers. Go to that? Or we go to that? People answer, no, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, listen, man. You see, when we come on to the class thing, if you don't answer me, I'll have a little problem. Please, never know, so now hear me. All right? Remember when the bed asked soon. Please, I beg you, just answer.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. Otherwise, it'll make the class draw out and we don't have the time for that. All right, so Kimura, you're able to do it back over, Kimura. All right, let me just click on somebody 0. So. Now, does somebody have a box? Anybody have a little box? Anybody have a little box or anything?
No, sir.
Nobody on a box, nothing at all? No box on?
No, sir.
No toothpaste box, no cereal box, nobody? You have a box?
DPH box, yes.
What kind of box?
DPH. Yes, I have a box.
Oh, okay, okay. Turn on the camera for me, please. Turn the camera for me, please. Turn the camera now.
Sir, because I have something over it, so I'm going to remove it. So it's going to make a little nice. I'm going to mute my mic and remove it.
Okay. All right, so there's a DPH box. All right, so folks, 1 second. Yes, Ramirez. Just you mean now let back in now? Try coming back now. Yeah, I see you. All right. But just ask the same thing.
It's still connecting.
But me let you in a while ago. It a join. It a join now, man. It a join now. Yeah. Yeah, but that's a joining for me. All right, the in now.
Alright, so
Yeah. Just click on join. I just came over the room a while ago. Just click on join one. Yeah, just click on join. I just sent over the room. Here, Ramirez, click on join and go over there. I just sent over the room. Just click on join. Click on more, click on breakout room and join. Now hear me. All right, let's see the box now. All right, so everybody, look at that box right there. So look at that box. Now that's what we're trying to find out, the volume of that box. Now you are given the formula. What's the formula to find the volume of a cylinder? What's the formula that you're given to find the volume of a cylinder? What's the formula?
Times with
What you go?
Length times width,
Length times with times
height.
times height. That's it.
Yeah.
Length times with times height. But that is for the base. That is for the base of it. That is for rectangular solids like that one, where length times it is the area of the base itself. Good, right? Right.
Oh,
One, you're not
sorry,
gonna
give me a
wait.
minute.
Yeah. Ramirez. Ramirez are gonna.
You are required to evaluate the current operation
You're not gonna wait, brother. You're not gonna wait. You're gonna join the roommate. Oh, you're gonna over. Okay, all right. Okay, all right, cool. Later. All right. Yeah. All right, let's go now. So when you're using the rectangular box, is that box empty? Is that box empty?
Empty now. I take out the B page button.
All right, let's shoot it. So let's go now. All right, mute your mic, Anastasia, please. Mute your mic. All right, listen now, everybody. That box that Nastasia showed you is a real box, shaped just like what you see in the workbook. Now, Juan and Makeda do what they were supposed to do in terms of presentations and things. And Nikisha would have also participated too. So participation is important, and doing what you're asked to do is also important, right? So you have to do what you must do in order to be successful in this subject area. I get irritated when students don't do what they are supposed to do. Very irritated. I rather you try and I'll help you while you're trying. But if you're not doing it, I can't help you. Just make that clear. All right. Let's get back to the box. Now, the general formula for finding the volume of any cylinder, any solid, it's called a solid, is the area of the base times its perpendicular height. Good. So you have to first identify the area of the base. I mean, the shape of the base, rather. That's a cool turn up the camera, please. Show us about the thing. Just hold up the base. So right now, could you show us the base of the box, please? That is the base. Can somebody unmute their mic and tell us the shape of the base?
Square, sir.
Well, it may not be a square, but it's really a rectangle, but it looks like a square. Good. Now, if I were to ask Nastasia to find the volume of that DPH box in her hand, what would she have to do? What would she have to do to find the volume of that VPH box? Anybody? If she was to find the volume of that VPH box, what would she have to do?
Find the area of that part which looks like a square times the height, sir.
Well, yeah, but what does she first have to do to find the area of that box? Sorry, find the volume of that box itself, the box which she has in her hand. What she first have to do? I mean, that's
You have
the
to
formula.
measure it, sir.
Good. That's exactly what I want to hear first. And what we should be measuring?
Sorry, length.
The length and
The width, sir.
the
height.
good. All right. So that's basically what you need to do. Right? Now, how you write on the worksheet now is different. Right? All right. So thank you very much. So that's supposed to solve the problem. So let's get to the worksheet now. Thank you. So suppose I can repeat the worksheet. That's it. We do this one for me, please. And thank you.
Sir.
Sir, it's still saying my own wrong. And I do it already 3 times.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
So what am I going to do first is multiply the area with the height and the base.
So the 3 lengths I'm going to multiply together. All 3 lengths. All 3 lengths. That's all they're going to multiply together. All 3 lengths. That's it. Okay. All right. The volume here. What do you get for your answer right here?
Sir, me get 54.
Yeah, but you have to write when you write in volume. This is how you write the answer. You have to write the answer. Just like how you see them have it there. So if it's 54, IN. That's
Oh, we never put in
that's how you write the answer. Okay, Kimura?
the IN part, sir.
Okay, sir.
So I guess I have to let it eat back over. I may not understand that. Oh, you want to test your answers before you put it on the worksheet? Is that Nikisha?
You talking, sir?
No man, Nikisha. You want to test your answers to set them right before you put them on the worksheet? Is that what, that's the request? Is that a request, Nikisha? Answer, man.
Sir, I'm trying to type,
Sorry,
but I'm not going as fast.
Okay. Oh, you're using your phone?
Sir,
No, sir, I just sent you a message.
sir.
Oh, okay.
I get the volume part correct, but for the surface area, yes, may I get the part incorrect. I'm not sure what I did wrong.
Alright, let me see if I can go now as much chance to do over this or something. Hold on.
So, sir, even though I have the answers, but when I type it in, it's still not correct, so I'm not sure what I do wrong.
Hold on, just hold on. Hmm. One second there. Hold on, 1 second there. 1 second. Bop. All right. I'm gonna see where you do it back over, Anastasia.
Sir, yes, I did do it back over. I did have more than one open, but only one coming, I guess, on my laptop. So for the next one that I did, it show where I get the volume part correct, but for the surface area part, I get those incorrect. But
So you click
that one not
and
showing.
finish?
Yes, sir. So that one not showing.
I'm checking to see what else. So why it's not showing? Are you sure you click and finish?
Yes, sir.
But you don't repeat it as yet. And that's where we repeat that now.
Sir, I did have two different
Two different ones.
back open on my laptop. So the first one that I did, it showed me that I get the volume parts correct, but for the surface area parts, I get those incorrect.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure. Maybe because I did have two of them open, that's why.
So you have two different one using.
Because me sign in more than one time, sir.
Oh yeah. Come from mad material.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
all right, for the volume, I see where me work it out and get the 54 because I
Mhm.
said 6 times 3, 3 times 6 times 3 get 18, 18 times 3 get 54. But for the surface area where you get 50, me not try to figure
50?
that part then.
50? I know 50 the surface area. When
Oh,
when
that's
you're
right here,
writing,
so.
when you're writing the surface, no, that's that. When you're writing the surface area, can that box be open that you have there, Nastasia? Can that box be open?
Think so.
You can open it up,
Oh, both
flatten, open it
sides.
up flat. You can open
Let's
flat.
make sure it
You have a scissors. You have a scissors.
Yes, I have a scissors. So cut it open.
Yeah, cut it open. Yeah. I'm gonna start out the surface area part of it too. Sure, I want to listen to the back over here. Listen to the back over here, man. This here, in this room. This here. This here. Go over to the other room for now, please, and go work with them. Imori, you doing back over the worksheet now?
Sir, I can't do it over 2 times already.
You're supposed to use it another time. Try again. But before you try it again, just hold on there. They say just click on join and go over now. God have mercy, Dacia. Click on join, Dacia. And join them, please. And it's not square inches, it's more cube. Nikisha, it's cube, not square, but it's cube. All right, so 3 of us are here. I can work with both.
Yeah.
All right, so everybody look at that now. So turn it that way now. Turn it that way.
This
No,
way?
no, we go to the not so colorful part.
Oh,
Good. Now, everybody see how it flat? Everybody seen that? Just answer yes or no. Everybody unmute your mics. Unmute your mics, please.
Yes, sir.
Me not come for mad today. Me not come for mad today, please. All right, listen now. So that is it is flat. So when you open up a solid, it will look flat like a paper. So, but what you're seeing there are several different surfaces or several different faces. Could you count the number of faces that they can see? Please. Count the number of faces.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. And you might see more than 6 faces because of the design of the box, but it's actually 6 faces that the box would have, right? So what you're really asked to do is to find the area of each of those faces. Good. You have to find the area of each of the faces then, and then you add them up. That's where you find the surface area. You have to find the area of each of the faces, then you add them up. So what you do is that redraw that box that they have. Good. But you have to know where the measurements are going to be. You follow? All right, let me demonstrate and show you. All right, thanks. I can turn off, bro. Everybody pay attention. So I'm going to draw the box and show you. So I'm drawing the box. So this is the box. All right. Now you have to kind of use your imagination. Right? All right. And you can mute the mic now. Nice, that's the problem. So this supposed to open up and you have 6 faces. So you're supposed to have 6 rectangles. And you have one here, so. So you're not getting the own box and open it up and work along with it. But if you don't follow instruction, God help you, honestly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one be the top. But these 2 are the sides. So when you open up your box now, you have to now know the measurements. Which box is which box? Where what measurement go? So you have to use your imagination. If we don't practice, we use the solids and like what I show you in that with the box. We now can connect them. So when I tell everybody must come to class with them box and them can and everything, you want to take it for a joke. Deep boy. Anyway, let's proceed. Now, see if you look at let's look at one of them. Oh, I'm finally get that. Okay. Oh, no. All right, so let's look at one of them. So now the first one, the surface area is 90 for true, but it's all you're right. It's all you're right. Remember, you have to write the thing, the inches and whatever, forget the answer. Good. So you have 54 there, so which is saying 3 times 6 is 18 times 3, 54. Now, when you're doing the surface area one now, let me look at the surface area one and show you now. I'm just going to use the one that is actually there in front of us. So here, this part right here, and this length here, if you notice, this length here and the one coming down is the same. This length here and the one coming down is the same. Good. This length here and this one is the same. And then parallel, so they must be the same. So if this and this equal, that's this are the same. So it's 3 times 3. So why in the box them is 3 times 3. But guess what? It's 2 of them you have, and they're the same size. So you multiply this by 2. Everybody see that so far?
Yes, sir. So I
Good.
get 18.
Just pay attention. 18. Good. Now, if you're smart, well, let's not look at it that way. Now, this one now is a 3 by 6. And you got the 2 of them as 3 by 6. This is a 3 by 6. So you have 3 by 6. But it's 2 of them. Good. 3 6 is 18, and the chances are 4 of them going to be equal because it's a square at the top. So all 4 of them going to be equal. So you can even multiply it by 4. So 3 6 is 18. 18 times 4 is how much? What is 18 times 4? What is 18 times 4? Can somebody what is 18 times 4?
72, sir.
70 how much?
2.
72. So we'll add this now to this. So the simple thing though is that you would have in fact find the area of each of the face them, the 6 face, and then add them up. But the reason why I say multiply by 2 is because it's 2 same face. So it will be 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is going to give you 18 same way. Good. I multiply by 4 because it's 4 equal faces. This is 3 times 6, 18. So if you add 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 4 times, you'd have gotten the same 72. Good. And you'd have added to this one, and that's how you get the 90. This is how the answers are supposed to be written. Everybody see them? No space bar. Everybody see that? Right, everybody see it. I'm not blind.
No,
Sir, that's fine.
we can make it a little bigger.
But when they ask if anybody has seen a bad answer, me so me
What's our answer?
so wait. See there? Can't
So,
see
sir,
that?
it,
Wait a now.
so in a square, it'll be 90.
I said to find the area of each of the faces. Find the area of each of the faces, and then you add them. That's
Yes,
it.
sir. So me, what I did, sir, I get 90 centimeters. I have 90 centimeters.
But you don't see no centimeter, the inches there, see the I in there.
Yeah, that's what I did put in my own. I put centimeters. That's why I get it
Yeah, but
incorrect.
you have to work with what is in front of it. That's what see here. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Hey, that's all enough to do. So come, try it and get the workbook out of the way. We can come out next week to the same thing. Yeah, now work. Keep it moving.
Sir,
Yeah?
should it be
Should be what?
where? Cause
Huh?
never mind, sir.
It's still saying I can't move on.
Let me see your page, Kimon. Let me see what's happening on your website.
Share my screen?
Yes, come on. So yeah, too. Then if you don't write the unit of measurements, you expect it, right? Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, some, scroll down. No man, scroll down. You have to click. Oh no, yeah, sorry, refresh your page, refresh your page. Refresh your page. Should be able to do it now. So you have to refresh the page if it's not allowing you to redo it. See it now? So click on that. Scroll down. So come here and repeat. Oh. Yeah. How much times you repeat it already?
What is it?
How many times did you repeat it?
2 times.
Separate 8.8. Okay. 2 times. I'm so I'll go and feel alright. I'll try to repeat one more time. One last time. Try it again.
Sir, you have to open my own.
Oh, phone one can repeat. I don't understand how phone one can repeat. So what can repeat? Only for the wrong one I put for repeat, sir. What on there?
So I still can't repeat.
It come back at the wrong one I put for repeat, man. No, but to the right one this. This is your default preference for the workbook, but you can also change its preference for allow students to repeat each worksheet 5 times. You see it there. Look at that. So right now repeating at all. Hold on, man. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. I you say you click on student zone, so click on student zone. Click on student zone. Open back the book now. Group 1. Scroll down. Click on the arrow. Click on the arrow and see if it can go across. Click on the arrow. Go back to the next one. Go back to the next one. So why is it not allowing it to repeat? No man, something right, so. What on there? I don't understand why it not allowing it to repeat. So someone just a command, man.
Sir,
Yes, Joel.
my Wi-Fi isn't really working 300%, sir.
All right, I figure that. All right, I get a new book you're supposed to use. Go on. I mean, I understand why them not allowed to repeat. Malcolm.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy. All right, just go back to the live worksheet book and the page number 2, group 1 book. Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, nobody is not able to repeat either. Nastasia, you're not able to repeat it, Nastasia. Nastasia.
No, sir. I was trying. I even sign out and sign in back.
So I never book out them I work on it. Oh, I think that's the problem. Malcolm, I try to help her to repeat the book. Um, book one. So this is book 1. If you I think it has something to do with I'll come. I'm gonna check and see what's the problem. Allow exercise repetition. Oh, I see why. Osh. I see why. Try it again now. You can able to do it now. Try it again now. Just reload it now. You should be able to repeat it now.
Sure. Question here.
Mhm.
Both for the volume and the surface area, it should have square.
Only the surface area should have square. The volume is cube. The volume is cube.
Oh, okay.
Sarah can do it now.
Yeah, man. I can stop sharing. Problem solved. Oh, Nikisha said you wanted to see the screen, Nikisha. That's what you say?
Sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You can use your phone and try log in on it, yeah. Okay. Tell me when to scroll up. Tracy still on? Tracy drop off.
Sir, let me see the 2 at the bottom, please.
See there.
Sir,
Yes, Tracy.
can I see our second one, please?
I think that's the second one.
The one with the 7, the one with the inform us to do.
You want to inform to do?
Yes.
The night this one?
No, no, sir. You see it up here. So Jennifer.
Who drop off? drop off? Somebody drop off. Somebody drop off. Oh, Joey drop off. You saw the book, Jermaine? Jermaine?
Yes, sir.
You saw the book, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go on to page 2. When you're writing the answer,
All right, for the second one,
use, hold on, when you're writing the answer, use upside down V. You hear? Yeah, Jermaine?
Sir, can you repeat that, sir?
Yeah, when you're writing the answer, use upside down V. Upside down V. Upside down V, something like this.
All right, sir.
So, I'm sure. Yeah, which part? Something like this, upside down V. Right? And no space bar. When you put in the same unit, that's how them write it, but you put the upside down V and with a Q bar square. Anybody grades improve it?
Sir, I'm finished.
You get 10, you got 10 out of 10 now?
Yes, sir.
Another room gone left here. Save the room gone left here. Aye. Oh, I think they drop off. Ramirez drop off. No, Ramirez drop off. Lexi drop off. And Zabir drop off. Oh, them drop off. All right, move on. You can move on to page number 3 now. You can move on to page number 3. But Tracy, which number that you're doing right, so Tracy? Which number you're doing right, so?
the
Tracy, which number that?
number two, sir, with 7, 7, and 5.
The surface here they're wrong. The surface here too much. Hold on, let me check if it's wrong for you, man. Let me check it wrong. Kimura finally get 10 out of 10. Finally, Kimura, finally. Yeah, that the number that the surface here for part 2 is wrong. Or you must write, when you write the volume, it's cubic centimeters. The surface here are wrong right so.
But the volume is right?
Yeah, the volume is right. The volume easy to
Right.
find. The volume is easy thing to find. Kimura, move on to the second page, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I mean the next page, I should say. Sorry. So the next step from here now is for Honor to drop some exam questions for it.
Sir, I'm finished.
Finish. How much you get?
10. I know what I did incorrect, sir. I have all the calculations, but I did not
So you
put
finally get 10 out of 10 to,
put them correctly.
okay. Okay.
Sir, for pi, it should be 3.14.
Yeah, 3.14. Yeah, use pi as 3.14.
What?
Tracy, for you to get access to this book like the rest of them, God choose, have to start out your life, you know. You know, then when people did it. Tracy, Madam Tracy,
Yes, sir.
when you get access, for you to get access to this book, you have to go to the website and click on the one that says classroom links. Instead of clicking on the classroom links, we select live worksheets, login, and they click on register. Register as a student, and they put in a group code that I'm going to give you. Ready for the group code, ma'am? Ready for the group code?
Yes, sir.
Let me get a group code. My students. Get a group one. The group code is, I'm gonna put it in the chat, okay?
Okay.
See it there. Everybody have access to our workbook.
Oh my gosh.
You got a group code, right? Hold on there. All right, but that, me can't look on it that way there, folks. It's kind of hard. That is why I'm going to the workbook. It's kind of really hard. Nikisha, you can't access the workbook from your phone. Nikisha. Nikisha.
As I explained to you, I'm just trying to sort out myself.
No, hold on. Let's relax myself. Let's relax. Let's ask that question. Is that a yes or no? Is that a yes or no?
So you're gonna Schoology to access it?
So you go to the website. Go to the school website. All right. So what this means then, I have to. There's so much burns I have to work with now. How much I want to have to work with now? So something. There's so much I want to have to work with. So. All right. So. Oh, let's see, let's see some new results come out. Oh, 7.5 and 10. Put some exam pass for questions from them. Well, I'm gonna work by myself. All right, Nikisha. Why doesn't finish it? Okay. Okay, so only the laptop. We'll drop off. Okay, I'm gone too.
They are finished.
You finish?
The other page.
The other page? How much you get?
10.
10. You get 10 too?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, go on good then, man. Okay. So you join the other group. Yeah, go on good then. All right, so all this is just please to submit the rest of Nikisha, share your screen or something. Share your screen, Nikisha. Can you share your screen? Let me see what's going on. Can you share your screen, please?
Yes, sir, but this is my daughter's laptop I'm using.
Yeah, man, that not nothing. Share your screen, please. All right, so go to the website itself now. You can use any one of them, one of the browser. All right, good going. Well, I guess you want to, if you want to pass out the rest of them, you can move on to the next one. But Kimura, you listening? Kimura?
Yes, sir, I'm listening. I'm
Yeah.
listening.
So what you need to do now is to ensure you submit the assignments on Schoology, okay?
Computation assignment too.
Yes, man. Yes, man. They don't even wait for me to tell you. Just go ahead and do it.
So
Reload.
do next week or today?
Every week you're supposed to submit an assignment. Every week you're supposed to submit an assignment. You know, see that letter? Every week you're supposed to submit an assignment, okay? Every week. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am?
sir. Yes, sir.
Every week. All right, let's learn it now. Every week. All right. This is not this what we do is for in-class session. It's for work in class. The Schoology is for work outside of class. You get it now?
Sir.
Okay, good. I remember saying, McCann, give me something, give me a request. Maybe never type it in properly. All right. You never finished this, yeah? This you never finished it. This, yeah. Okay. They just go back to the book and go start it out. No more. Why you click on that? Just wait, no man. You know, patience. Come on, find out patience, no man. Oh, I'm here. Click on it. Gosh. This, go back to it and finish work on it, please. Put in your user information also. Nikisha, put in your information also, please. You remember it, right?
No, sir.
Let me tell me saying remember.
Sir, we just tell you.
Oh, hold on there. All right, so I was group in a group one. Keisha Buddington. Username. There's Nikisha, as in Nickesha. Password is
Yes,
new.
sir.
Password is new start. No. New start. No.
Okay.
I'll tell more wait until they start. This thing joke. Remember me. Click and remember me. Click and remember me. Click and remember me. Click and
I'm
remember
trying
me.
to control the cursor, but it's like,
Hold on there. Put in back your information. This yeah. This yeah. mic have to start fixing now. Enter, click on enter, click on enter. Save. All right, good. So you see next time you go, it's next time you open a laptop, no, you just go there and you tick there. Then an excuse now, you understand? All right. So how simple that done? That's so simply done.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am, your turn.
I was trying it, but I don't see the option where you say live.
You see where I went a while ago?
No, because I was on it trying it. From
You
they
have to,
send
you have to
me.
go back, you have to go back. Share your screen. Share your screen for me, please. They say if you get the 10 out of 10, you can go to bed, you know. Here, they say, you have to fix your mic, you know, because we can't call you, they might take forever for you answer, you understand? You fix your mic. Try to finish up number. Try to make sure you do the measurements, first measurement list and submit it. But wait until Sunday before you go do it. Wow. You start work on it as of tonight, tomorrow, and make sure it is in before class. Yes, you share your screen, Tracy. More 10 out of 10. Zabir 10. Anastasia still working on the other one? Anastasia still working on the
Yes,
other
sir.
one?
Class done already, sir?
Yeah, basically, then if you don't work, but if you don't work on the second one, then you can go on about the business, you know. You
What
can
to
go
the
on about-
chapels or the measurement?
Yeah, if you want upon it, you can go upon it. Well, the rest of them gone in bed.
I don't even know what they're gonna go there.
Class basically done, you know.
I'm going to do my research because I don't understand it.
What, the trapezium one?
I understand for find the area, but not the missing measurements.
Oh,
Some of
you
them
know what?
obvious.
What? So you watch a video based on perimeter.
I have a rewatch it, sir.
You watch it, man. The concept is still the same, you know. Remember, so they give you the perimeter already, you know. Remember, so them give you the perimeter already, you know. The P or something perimeter, them give you the perimeter already. So if them give you the perimeter already, what do you think you should handle?
Add everything on divide.
No, can't add everything. Subtract. See, you don't need no research. One, I want tier one. One tier one. What I'm tier one? You don't need no research. See it now?
Sir, my brain not good enough, sir. So
The brain good, man. The brain good. So you don't need no research. You have confidence in yourself. It's so easy. It's so easy to figure it out. Add up all them and subtract. Easy. Easy. 1, 2, 3. You done now. See it? You done now. Easy 1, 2, 3.
all right, sir. May I get it done?
Yes, man. Easy 1, 2, 3.
Good night.
Yeah, man. Cool. Good night.
Sorry, you're waiting on me to submit it?
Do you have to click submit? Yeah.
Oh, because what I did, I do them in my book first and then
Okay.
I'll, yeah, so I write them out in my book first.
Okay. Hold on, Nastasia, me hang up now, you know, here. Hold on, then. Nastasia, I'm hanging up now, here. Nastasia.